Holy Maga, Lily Gabra, Lily Rafa. Orúkọ àǹkálí mi mọ ògùn ọ̀run ní ọ̀dọ̀ yín náà gbé o. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni wọ́n ní káwọn. Déèrè àsìkò yìí, ibi àtà gbé jíjẹ́ náà. New Empire Hotel ní Sọ́kà, ìyẹn lórí ọ̀lẹ́ Ìbàdàn. Àǹkálí mi mọ ògùn ọ̀run ẹ̀jọ̀ ẹ̀rọ ọ̀sẹ̀ká lè gàbí.
The Nigerian Correctional Service has 3 female custodial facilities nationwide. The Female Custodial Facility KiriKiri Lagos, the Female Custodial Facility Auchi Edo State, the Female Custodial Facility Ondo City, Ondo State. The Nigerian Correctional Service Female Custodial Facility KiriKiri Lagos is a separate holding facility for female offenders. Established in 1963 during the First Republic to serve Lagos metropolis and its environs. The center has an initial lock-up capacity of 354 inmates. The center is located between 2 male custodial centers, namely Medium Security Custodial Center, KiriKiri, and Maximum Security Custodial Center, KiriKiri. The center is currently holding about 400 female inmates who are supervised by Female Officer Corps of the Nigerian Correctional Service. They work hard on a daily basis to leave a lasting change in the behavior, value, and orientation. The center is headed by a Deputy Controller of Corrections.
When it comes to treatments in the female facility, we have a lot of NGOs we partner with, like ROLAC, like the Alpha Foundation. They come in here. The ROLAC comes with a package called Sycamore, which particularizes on inmates' character formation. We have an open university, we run open university. We have our GCA class for some of them that are trying to enroll themselves in the university as well here.
A peep into this special facility, the gender-sensitive policy of the Nigerian Correctional Service is real, not rhetoric. As a glance at the first female custodial center ushers one into a serene environment. The environment is humane, safe, and secure for reformation and reintegration, as living condition is relatively normal, an aberration of public speculation, with every inmate living harmoniously and happily pursuing different reformatory programs.
Okay, we've been feeded 3 times daily. They are taking care of us, our washing soap, our bathing soap. We have steady water, we have steady constant lights.
I was outside there. I don't tolerate nonsense. So if any small thing happens, I'll start fighting, shouting. But while I'm here, I have more patience about to tolerate human beings. So then this work too have been helping me while I was here.
I learned so much. I learned this from this place and from this is what I learned here. All this. This bangle and bangle. And this is ring. This one is just easy wear. You can wear it with any clothes. It goes with any.
A notable case of reformatory nature of the service. Meet Mary, a South American.
My case is drug case. I come from a country for Oshogun Festival, and someone told me to help them to bring a bag. Inside the bag is a drugs, but I only find out when they open the airport. That's why I'll be arrested. Okay. I learned how to do crochet, design of slippers, bag, pants, umbrella, dresses, and design of beads too. I learned. The beginning I have 27 people that I teach them. And now, and they learn already and do by herself. And I teach them for the beginning. Some people don't know how to start making crochet, but now all of them know how to do it very well. Perfect.
Special person. She was once a student here. Well, now through this very section, she's doing well. She has financial independence. You can see how beautiful she's looking. So this is just encouraging you to be hardworking. By this, you can feed yourself, you can feed the nation. They say training one woman is training the whole nation. So just be diligent in doing this. If somebody like you is having an enterprise of our own now, you can as well do the same. So I'm encouraging you this afternoon just to be better girls, be focused, and you see the Lord bless you.
And when I left here, I was gifted womanship. You know how much that cost. It's because of my seriousness. If you are serious, not only people around you see you, even God in heaven sees you. So I just want to admonish us all to be serious about whatever we are doing, because they says what is worth doing is worth doing well. Please, let's be serious about it.
Thank you.